I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cocktail sauce without horseradish. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality ketchup, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Combine these in a small bowl. Stir everything together until it's well blended. This simple base creates a fantastic starting point for your homemade sauce, ready for your personal touch. Now let's customize the flavor. If you prefer a sweeter sauce, try adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or maple syrup. For a tangier profile, simply increase the amount of lemon juice by another tablespoon. To introduce some heat without horseradish, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce works wonderfully. Taste and adjust until it's perfect for you. Achieving the right texture is key for a great cocktail sauce. Use a small whisk to thoroughly combine all ingredients, ensuring a smooth, lump-free consistency. If your sauce seems too thin, you can slightly reduce the liquid ingredients next time, or let it chill for about 30 minutes to thicken naturally. Conversely, if it's too thick, add a 1/2 teaspoon of water or a bit more lemon juice until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Once your cocktail sauce is perfectly mixed, chill it for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It's fantastic with shrimp, oysters, crab cakes, or any of your favorite seafood. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade horseradish-free cocktail sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.